My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Kia Niro. This vehicle has done 23,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access map, navigation, button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we access our home screen, we can see our charge and range, and we also have Apple and Android CarPlay as features. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we can access our climate control. We also have heated seats on either side, our heated steering wheel, and 4 different driving modes to choose from. Normal, Sport, and Eco. And if we hold down, Eco Plus. As we go into the back of our vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.